What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we'll check our positions. Okay, you can follow along, compare your positions with mine to see how good, bad, maybe going sideways, how is everything doing, And also, before all that, we're also going to look at the price in a little much more details, because like I hate to tell you so. I hate to tell you I told you so, because everything is beginning to make a lot of sense. Buckle up. Better put them seatbelts on. It's about to get crazy in the cryptocurrency world. It's much more especially on the coins that we are trading. Casper, whoa, Casper is about to go crazy. Quant, my friends, Quant is about to go nuts. When I say nuts, I mean crazy nuts. You can't even describe it. Okay, you can't describe it. But before that, okay, it's always like, how do I say this? It's always like everybody's afraid. You understand? People are always afraid when the crypto is pumping. Okay, excuse me. When an asset is pumping and it's going off their all-time high and all that stuff happening, you hear people, "Oh my God, I wish I would have got it when it was lower. Please, price come back down. Come on, let me get some here." Perfect example. I tell you that the coins that we are trading on. Okay, Casper. When Casper was hitting 21 cents, I tell you, man, I was having a lot of inbox messages. People that know me, that I do this crypto stuff. "Come on, man, do you think it's gonna come back down? I want to buy some more." And I was like, well, yes, it will. It will come back. The same thing goes to Quant. Quant was like $110 or $120 thereabout. And people, "Oh, come on, man. Oh my God, I think I missed the boat. Is it gonna ever come back down? Man, I want to do this." But what did you see? As soon as the price came down, "Oh man, no, it's going to zero. I don't want to put my money in there. It is going to zero. I don't want to do this." Even when Quant dropped all the way down to 54, I think it was $54 when Quant dropped. And I was telling you guys, go watch my videos, you will see. I was telling guys, you better get in, because this is it. This is the bottom. This is the bottom of it. And on top of that, there is a lot of development coming out for Quant. It's time for you to get in. And still, people still fear. They rather hold that money, right, like tight. Put that fist like that. I don't want to let it go. Instead of remembering one thing about money, it's a means. Like my father, he always says it. My grandfather always says that too. For you to make money, you have to spend money. If you are stingy with your money, not wanting to spend it, you are not going to get anywhere. That's what I was telling guys. Like, dude, you got to get in this right now. But, let's see. But only a few people took that advice. Now, you're looking at things like this and you go, "Whoa, man, I don't know." But if you see like things going on right now, KRC20 are coming, guys. KRC20, they are all getting polished and getting ready to be released. The next FMOC meeting coming up, they're going to be red cards. And those red cards are going to be the beginning of the, what we've been getting ready for. Although I will show you the price in a little bit. It has already started moving. Quant, guys. Quant. Quant, my friends. I told you guys about Quant. Stop being afraid of the price action, because Quant is about to run. And nobody believed me. Nobody believed. Go to YouTube. Only a few people talking about quant right now. But I'm telling you, quant is about to run. The policies. I can't. I'm just so excited right now. I'm so excited right now that I got a position on leverage, that I got my coins on spot. I am so excited right now about quant. Everybody talking about XRP here. Everybody talking about Stellar right there. They forget about the most important thing. The most important thing is the World Bank. That is where everybody, all the countries, their transactions and everything is going in through the World Bank. And what the World Bank just announced, they chose quant. I told you guys that the SWIFT system, which the World Bank was using, the SWIFT was getting old. And was coming. Excuse me. Switch was the SWIFT system was the old ways. The new and improved was Mbridge. And guess where the Mbridge is tied? With quant. And I kept telling you guys, I kept saying this over and over and over. Now, stablecoins are about to get approved. They're still looking at the APIs and all that, DLT, all that. I mean, you have to get all the technical issues of it for you to understand. But I'm telling you guys, they're still looking at it. World Bank, they already announced. Articles have already started coming out, talking about it already. Look at this. Let me show you right quick. Let's go right here. See that? This article was announced yesterday, was published yesterday. Why World Bank prefers QNT, a deep dive into quant's tier 2 model and its competitive edge. Go read this article, guys. There is even YouTube videos on the major news outlets already talking about this. That's what I tell you guys. They are all still everything. I am so excited right now, guys. I am so excited. It's not even funny, because it's like when you tell people stuff and nobody wants to believe. And I keep telling you guys that what is happening right now is that they are reviewing the APIs, models of payments and all that stuff, even the DLTs. Go look at it. You even see, look at that. Digital ledger. Digital ledger, which is the quant over ledger. That's what they're looking at. After they're done reviewing all this stuff, after they're done reviewing this, everything. I told you guys, the next 3 months, which started in August, are going to be epic for the coins that we are trading. Okay? I said it. The next 3 months are going to be epic for the coins that we are trading. This is going to be crazy, and it's still, some people are still waiting for price confirmation. Look, you go to Twitter right quick. I'm so excited right now. It's not even, I can't even talk, man. let's go to Twitter right quick. I know you guys call it X, but I will never get the idea, people saying X and this and that. Me, I think it's always Twitter. Look at that. The whole Twitter is blowing up about this. Everybody. Why World Bank prefers quant? A deep dive. This is a guy. Why World Bank prefers quant? Look at that. World Bank chooses quant. Everybody is talking about. Look at that. World Bank has been pushing ahead with many initiatives as getting rid of the poverty on the earth. And if you go read more details, again, their CEO or whatever that guy is, always talking about the same thing. Why they choosing quant? Everybody is talking about the quant. The announcements everywhere. The World Bank has chosen quant, which means the overledger is about to get super. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, excuse my language, man. Excuse my language. Quant is about to run, and I tell you guys, 3 months. The next 3 months are going to be epic. When I mean epic, I mean super epic. You go even for Casper. Okay, there's a guy that was talking about the energy is our oil and all that stuff is about to get priced in Bitcoin. But you forget one thing. Bitcoin, the three main aspects of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin lacks one. The only one that has them all, peer-to-peer transaction, store value, security, all of them, is Casper. And already the DII, okay, they've already started talking about the what you call it, Casper miners being more energy efficient. Go look at every company right now. They are all focused on energy. They are all focused about, try to preserve the earth. While Bitcoin miners are busy wasting energy, Casper miners maximize the energy. You understand? So if you go to that, Casper is faster, it's cheaper to transact with. In any angle you look at it, I told you guys, I said it, and I will say it again. Casper is better than Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time before everybody starts to realize this. And I told you guys, it's time. Start getting your positions ready because this is coming. See what's happening with Quant? I told you guys about the overledger. They started advertising it because something was brewing. The only thing holding everything back right now is because both the US and the UK, and there is any other countries just like Japan. The reason why Bitcoin crashed because Japan, again, they are all looking at the policies on stable coins. That's what they're looking at. So as soon as every country, okay, like as soon as all these countries, okay, as soon as they all come together and their policies get reviewed, polished, and published, and whatever you want to say, Quant will jump. Look at the Quant supply and exchanges, still going down. Why? Because these policies very, very soon are about to get accepted and implemented. And once they do, guys, project gateway / staking is going to take place. You guys don't want to listen. I was telling you guys all this before it even happened, before they started publishing, because I do my research, guys. I do my research. And once this gateway happens, there's going to be a supply shock. And I'm telling you guys, the next 3 months starting this August are going to be epic. This supply shock is what is going to take Quant to prices that you cannot even imagine. It's what's going to happen. Because for the World Bank and every major banks in the world, for them to use the M-Bridge and the Quant technology, okay, the tier 2 Quant technology, they have to hold Quant. You understand? They have to hold Quant. Hence, since there is only 14 million Quants, there's not going to be enough Quant out there. They're going to start asking for you to stake your coin, to borrow. Let them borrow your Quant from you, and you get paid the dividend. You understand? That is exactly what's going to happen. And now, like I said before, energy tech sector, oil, whatever you are transacting out there, Casper will take over that sector because the peer-to-peer that Satoshi designed, Bitcoin cannot go. Excuse me. When we talk about peer-to-peer transaction, Bitcoin is not suitable for that. The only coin suitable for peer-to-peer transaction, because it's fast, secure, and scalable, is Casper. That's where it's gonna go. That's why I keep telling you guys. Once this KRC20 gets released, stable coins gets to be on Casper network, this thing will jump to 40 cents or even 60 cents in a record time. That's what I'm telling you guys. The next 3 months are going to be epic. Very, very epic. Okay, so this is crazy, but yet people don't want to believe. Anyways, a lot of them are talking about XRP, and I told you guys how I feel about XRP. As a matter of fact, I have a position open on XRP because I'm going to use their moon boy mentality and make me money out of it. Right now my position is at $350, and it started to go up. Anyways, now let's go look at the whole market situation, okay? Let's go look at it. Oh man, I can go on and on and on and on. I was thinking about making a live, but I can go on and on and on about this because it feels good. That's something you've been trying to tell people about. It feels good to see it coming through. You understand? But anyways, let's go look at the market right quick. First of all, starting with the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right quick. Here we go. For the past hour, market is down. Okay, which is normal, right? It's normal to see the market do this. Like I told you guys, it's a movement. It's where you gotta calculate. You understand? You can't just get any coin out there. You need to get the coins that really matter. Okay, look at this. Let's go. For the past day, most coins. I don't know for some reason Bitcoin pumped a little bit and everything followed. But anyways, let's go look at the coins that we trade in this my millionaire journey, which is include first one Casper, KAS. As you can see, this is amazing. I told you guys, if you've been following my channel, look at this. This is so amazing right now. Look at that. For the past hour, Casper is down 0.8%. 5.4% up on the day, guys. 1.1% up on the week. 2% down on the month, and 305% up on the year. I told you guys, this means if you look at this number compared for the numbers of the past few days, Casper is breaking out as we speak. So let's look at Quant again. Quant, QNT. There, see that? If you look at Quant, almost the same thing. For the past hour, 0.6% down. For the past day, 0.1% up. For the past week, 5.6% up. On the month, 8.4% down and 34.8% down on the year. Again, this shows you that Quant is making move. I think it's breaking out. We're about to check in a minute. And now we look at Jasmine, JAS. This is the only coin, like I said, I'm still a little bit bearish about it. But it is making moves too. As you can see, for the past hour, 1.2% down, 2.7% up on the day, 2.2% down on the week, 14.3% down on the month, and 468% up on the year. It's still making moves, but there are still things I need to see for them to be confirmed. Okay, so I still need to see Jasmine confirming a couple of things before I can get like fully bullish on the short term. On the long term, yeah, I am bullish on Jasmine. But now let's go look at the trading view right quick. Again, before we get there, let me say this. As always, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money very quick. But if you do know what you're doing and you do have experience, down below, I do have my Bydfi and Phemex links. Sign up, open an account, deposit what they are requesting, and you will get big money. I think that Bydfi is $3,000. Phemex, I'm not sure, but you'll get big money. Okay, you can then start trading. Follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. It don't really matter to me. What matters to me is that you are making money. That's the whole purpose of this my millionaire journey. Okay, now let's go look at the price in a little bit of details. I'm trying to rush right quick because I don't want to make the video long. Let's look in a little bit details on trading view. Let's go here, trading view, which is right here. Trading view. Okay, open up. Okay. Whoa. This is Casper right now. Okay, this is exactly as I was telling you yesterday. Let's start on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour is a little bit easier to start with, and you guys could see. As you can see, go watch my videos for yesterday. I told you guys this was going to happen. Let me zoom out a little. Now look, I told you guys we were going up. Come on. Let me do this right there. See, we were chugging around this support line on the ascending triangle, and I told you guys what we were checking to do was to go above the moving ribbon, go above the 200 moving average, go above the triangle. Okay, now the first resistance was here, 16.7, 16.6. I told you guys that, and the main resistance was up here around 17.2 thereabout. Now, as you see, price broke out above the moving ribbon, above the moving average, went and retest, okay, went and retest that resistance at 17.2. Now so far we are getting rejected, okay, coming back to retest this support slash resistance right here at 16.8, 16.7. Depends on how you draw your line. So I'm expecting Casper to try again, try to break this line, okay, at 17.2, turn it into support. Now if you go into let's go on the 4 hourly, okay, 4 hour right here, you will see it even clearer, okay. On the 4 hour, look at how it broke. We got rejected by the 200 moving average on the 4 hourly. So again, I'm expecting this to happen. Casper is going to go up above the resistance at 17.2, and if you can see in a little detail on the moving average, you see it has begun to curve. So again, we are going to go, it's going to be like killing two birds with one shot, taking away the resistance and turning it into support the same way at the same time, at the same time taking away the same resistance on the moving average, turn it into support, and from there we start to go. So yeah, you can see everything is beginning to play out just like I told you guys it's going to be. We have this ascending triangle, okay, which we are trying to break above. Now if Casper breaks above this ascending triangle, the target is let's see right here. Let me draw it right quick so we can get this out of the way. Let's go from the lowest point to the highest point right there. Now we take this and we take here. I'm trying to take it right here. It's a little difficult because of my phone right there. So it's not perfect. Again, I'm trying to do this on my phone. But let's go on the daily. Now, as you can see, if Casper breaks up there, the target is all the way up here, 20 cents. See that? 20 cents probably come back down, okay, to 19.6, 19.5, and take off from there. So yeah, I told you guys this was going to happen. But anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick. We're going to look at Jasmine last. Let's go look at Quant. Look at QNT right now, Binance. There, this is on the daily. Again, exactly like I told you guys it was going to happen. See, Quant broke above this support, the bottom line on the triangle that we've been forming from the all-time lows. This has been served as kind of support. So Quant broke, came back and retesting. We are retesting it right now on the daily. But let's go on the 4 hourly, because like this is on the 4 hour right there. Okay, look at that. This 4 hour candle is about to close. We still have like 1 hour left. It's gonna be green. If it is green, we look at the moving ribbon has already turned green. So we're looking to go up. Again, like I told you guys, $72 for Quant is what we're trying to break, which is above the moving average. Once we break above it, we be going to 72. That's what we're trying to break. Okay, so look at this on the 1 hourly. It's a little bit clearer on the 1 hour. See, let me zoom out. Let me zoom that out and try to move a little bit to the left. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Told you guys, it broke above, came back. Look at how beautiful it retested it. Look at the moving ribbon curving above. Again, it's curving. Get it to go. We're above the moving 200 moving average. We're going above the moving ribbon, and we're about to get ready to go. Guys, Quant is setting up for the monumental move. And I said it, guys, buckle up. We are about to make money. So let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, Jasmy. I'm gonna use the Binance. Again, this is the only one I'm still a little bit bearish, because there is still things that I need to see Jasmy do before I can really be bullish. Like on the short term. On the long term, yes, I am bullish, because Jasmy right now is doing this sideways movement. Sideways moving, as you can see, here, we are still testing that support it formed for that bull flag. But the good thing about this is look at the ribbon. Ribbon is beginning to curve, and as you can see, it's like we are forming a lower, a higher lows, and it look like this thing is about to start going up to try that 2.3 cents support slash resistance. We need to break that. We need to break that 2.3 cents on Jasmine. We need to break that, because that is what is happening right here. That's why for now there is not much to be said on Jasmine until we break above this. Now, if you look at the movement between the percentage of moving downwards versus upwards, I think Jasmine has more probability to move upwards, because Bitcoin is looking to make a move upwards. So yeah, I already have my positions for this, and I am getting ready for it. Because like when you look again, if you go to the weekly, there is something. Oh, sorry, not weekly. I want to go on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, there is something called the waterfall pattern. I don't know if you guys know about it. Waterfall, which a crypto, when it dumps so heavily, okay, it forms a V-shaped recovery. Understand? So that is exactly what. Come on, that's exactly what Jasmine is doing. Okay, you remember the heavy dump that happened? See that waterfall? It recovered the V shape. Now it's gonna retest, and then take off from there. So that's what is happening right now. Now we just, like I said, we're trying to wait for Jasmine to take off, and I'll go above that 2.3 cents. Again, it is very easy to do, because this top of the bull flag is still, the bull flag is still intact. We're still going to 10 cents. And I said it, in the next 3 months, you're about to see Jasmine. You are about to see Jasmine. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Like I said, you can compare with yours and see how good or bad, maybe going sideways. Okay, let's go look at it. First, my Bydfi. Bydfi, which is this one. We're loading up on that. Great. See, they're always giving bonuses. Look at that. If you guys remember yesterday, look at today. My overall is going up already at $14,329. That's where we are today. Now look at the contracts. Oh crap. Look at the contracts. I told you guys XRP. I was going to use it for because of these moon boys, whatever they want to take it. I think $5 to $6 is good. If they want to push it a little bit of above, I am still happy. My XRP position is up 119%, which is around $430. Again, I will show you. I set $5. For this, I am trying to make $60,000 with a $350 position. I will scale it up in a little bit, but I'm just gotta wait a little. Now, if you look again, this here, don't do like me, guys. I know what I'm doing. I am trading at 75x on XRP position using a $350 position. That's what I'm trading at. Do not do like me. Okay, I'm trying to make quick money with it. They're gonna push it to probably $4 to $5, or since they still believe it's gonna be replacing Quant or whatever they believe, they're probably gonna push it to what, 7 maximum. I see it $6 to $7, and I'm gonna make money out of it. But anyways, looking at my order positions, which is my Casper, look at that. My Casper is up already today 11%. Okay, 11%, which is almost $600. My Quant is getting ready too. Is gearing up. We are up to almost 4%, which is almost whoa, just hit $300. Okay, now let's go look at my short terms on Phemex. Phemex right there. Let me sign in. Let's sign in right now. Okay, see that my Phemex? Again, my overall has gone up to almost $12,000. Okay, looking at my contracts, which you can see, I do have my Casper and my Jasmine. Again, Jasmine, I'm still a little bit bearish. I'm negative 21, which is I'm down almost $2,000. But on my Casper, I am up 16%, which is $700, as you can see. So yeah, these things again. In the next 3 months, you guys are about to see. We will look at these positions together, and you will see. You will see how we turn this into a six-figure account. Again, guys, it has started. Buckle up, sir. It's about to be a bumpy ride. It's about to be a bumpy ride. We about to make money. We about to make money. I told you guys, patience. A lot of people think quant is dead. I will tell them, I told you so. Now, that being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Like, okay? Like, it doesn't take much. Just that little button right there, just like. And share these videos so that other people like you and me with this millionaire mindset can go from zero to a millionaire status in the next 10 to 12 months. Understand? So we can share ideas and, compare notes together. Okay? So please, that being said, guys, please take care of yourselves. Until then, bye-bye.